Hello, welcome back, and today we are going to unbox the diving flashlight I ordered from Shopee. So I ordered this flashlight last May 8, 2025, then it arrived week later, so around May 16 if I'm not mistaken. So unfortunately I can't post a link of this of the Shopee shop because I recently read that the shop has been frozen. I don't know why, but I guess we just have to find in some other shops. So the price of this item is 3,500 more or less. As you can see, there is a layer of bubble wrap surrounding the item on top of the hard case of the actual flashlight. So it is pretty secured. Well, the casing itself is plastic, but it is an additional security for the flashlight, so it is enough for me. And let's check the contents inside. So first we have to open this casing. The contents inside are secured by a protection foam. First, we have the charging cable for the included charger for the batteries of the flashlight. Next, we have the lanyard paracord for securing the flashlight into our wrists. We also have some paperwork or the user manual for the operation of the flashlight. Next, we have some extra O-rings and lubrication. Next on the list is the bottom cap of the flashlight itself. So there we have the spring. Then we have the battery charger itself, which supports 220 volts direct plug-in without adapter. It also supports the traditional 5 volts adapter in case if the original cable is damaged or destroyed. Lastly, we have the actual flashlight itself. So it is the TrustFire DF70. The flashlight itself is made of some kind of alloy or metal. It is made of some kind of alloy, yet it is not slippery at all because of the actual design of the body. The batteries are secured inside the flashlight itself, but it is safe because it is sealed by some kind of plastic. It is time to check the included dual batteries of the flashlight. So it includes the dual 5000 milliamp hour lithium batteries, which is known to be durable since it is lithium. According to the included user manual, the batteries are to be installed where the positive side is pointed towards the lens of the flashlight. Always check the polarity of the batteries to avoid damaging the flashlight itself. After the installation of the batteries, it is time for the initial testing. So we have 3 modes. First is the brightest, then level 2, then level 1 is the least bright. I almost forgot this flashlight has a strobe function, which is usually used in targeting squids. Now it is time to check the charging of these batteries. So the red indicates the batteries are charging, while green indicates the batteries are full. So that's it. Pa-shout out din po kay The Poor Fisherman, amazing. Dol, ito po yung gamit ko na flashlight, yung TrustFire DF70 po. Thank you for the support, and a sub is highly appreciated. Thank you, thank you, thank you.